It is time for your tropical weather update. I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Kevin Roth. Busy right now. In fact, it's busier than it's been throughout hurricane season. So let's get a peek at what we're seeing here with three areas that we're really watching. One is Hurricane Fiona. That's the one that devastated Puerto Rico. That's making its way towards Bermuda. Eventually could be impacting eastern Canada, Nova Scotia, with winds of over 100 miles per hour. That's not what you would expect that far north. We also have Tropical Storm Gaston, but mostly I'm watching the one at the bottom there, Tropical Wave 98L, because that's the one that is expected to develop as we go over the next 5 days. 90% chance of development odds there. So let's follow this system as it makes its way through the Caribbean and then eventually finds its way in the Gulf of Mexico. That would happen likely by the early and middle parts of next week. Now, at this point, it's too tough to say exactly where it's going to end up in the Gulf, but models do favor this becoming a hurricane and winding up in the Gulf. And as you look at forecast models, you can kind of see that spread once it approaches the Gulf. And I don't even want to show individual models because it's been bouncing around so much that anything I show you is really just disinformation. It is not true information until we have a better idea of where this is going. What typically happens at this point is that a trough or a front, the same front that we have coming early next week, could shift and help to push that system a little bit farther to the north and northeast, as opposed to letting it drift into the western Gulf of Mexico where we are. Now, that is still a possibility, but climatologically speaking, meaning the normal outcome this time of year, is that any storms that do end up in the Gulf end up impacting the central Gulf or eastern Gulf. We're still going to monitor this right here in southeast Texas, but it is not an immediate or imminent concern. I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Kevin Roth, and that's a look at your tropical weather update.